Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to send your location on WhatsApp using your Android device. This simple feature on WhatsApp can be super helpful, so let's get right into it. First, open WhatsApp on your Android phone and go to the chat where you want to share your location. Next, look for the paperclip icon at the bottom right of the chat screen. This is the attachment icon that lets us share our location. From the attachment menu, you'll see several options. Tap on the location to start sharing where you are. If it's your first time sharing a location on WhatsApp, it might ask you for permission to access your location. Just tap on allow to keep WhatsApp access. Now you'll see two options, send your current location and share live location. Just tap on send your current location. And that's it. Now you know how to send your location on your WhatsApp. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with.